Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. In a pleasant morning, sir. So, this morning I present my presentation topic entitled Tools and Techniques for Quality Control. Tools and Techniques for Quality Control. Overview. Quality control employs a range of tools and techniques to monitor outcomes, identify defects, and guide corrective actions in IT projects. This includes the 7 basic tools of quality, plus statistical sampling, Six Sigma methodologies, and extensive testing. Statistical samplings and Six Sigma. Statistical samplings selects representatives of sets of work product or data to infer overall quality without inspecting every items. Six Sigma, a discipline data-driven approach aiming for near zero defects, 3.4 defects per million opportunities by identifying and removing causes of variation. 7 basic quality control tools. Cause and effect, Bassbone, Ishikawa, diagrams in 5 ways, trace problem back to its root causes by categorizing potential contributors and repeatedly asking why. Control chart. Plot process measurements against statistical control limits over time to distinguish between random and non-random variation. Run charts. Simply lines, graphs of data, points, and chronological order for trained analysis. Scatter diagrams. Plot paired data to reveal correlations. Histograms. Bar charts showing frequency distribution of variable. Pareto charts. Histogram ordered by frequency with a cumulative percentage lines. Flow charts. Diagrams of process steps and decision points. Yun lang. Thanks for watching.